Internet contains a lot of hacking websites, but no one is finding a perfect website for himself. We have chosen 5 best hacking websites where you can learn hacking coming up now. At number 5 comes hacking tutorials. At hacking tutorial, you will find a list of resources that will teach you some in-depth tricks to hacking various apps, operating systems and devices. Some examples of the content you will find here includes articles like 3-step Gmail MITM hacking using BetterCap, tutorials like how to bypass Windows app locker, hacking news, phone hacking tips, reviews of online hacking tools, a significant library of free hacking ebook and reports. The articles are usually short and the grammar isn't always perfect. However, many include highly technical step by step introductions on how to do the task at hand. At number 4 comes Hackaday. Hackaday is a blog made for engineers. It is less about hacking with code and more about hacking just about anything. Posts include innovation projects including robotic builds, modifying vintage electronics and gadgets, and much more. They also have another domain called hackday.io where they host readers submits engineering posts. There include some really cool projects and innovative designs. The site redefines the meaning of the word hacking by helping you learn how to hack electronic devices like a Game Boy or a digital camera and completely modifying it. At number 3 comes Hack in the Box. The site is actually made up of 4 major subdomains, each with a specific purpose meant to serve hackers around the world. The site remains focused on security and ethical hacking. The news and magazine section showcase frequently updated contents specifically for hackers or those learning to hack. The 4 major sections of the site includes HITB section news. This popular blog provides security news covering every major industry. Major topics include major platforms like Microsoft, Apple, and Linux. Other topics include international hacking news, science and technology, and even law. HITB Conf. This is an annual conference drawing in hacking professionals and researchers from around the world. It's held every year in the Netherlands. HITB Photos is one more section, a simple collection of photos albums, mostly covering images from the yearly conference. And one more section is HITB Magazines. This page highlights the quarterly print magazine and Hack in the Box used to send out to subscribers until 2014. Even though the blog section of the site is still active and frequently updated, no additional print magazine and are being produced. This site is less of a place to go for actually technical hacking tips and more of a daily spot to get your latest fix of online hacking news. HITB is a great resource for news for anyone interested in the latest gossip throughout the international hacking communication. At number 2 comes Hack the Site. Hackthesite.org is one of the coolest free programmers training site where you can learn how to hack. Just accept one of the challenges along the left navigation panel of the main page. The site designers offers various missions. This is where you need to figure out the vulnerability of a site and then attempt to use your newfound hacking skills to hack the web page. Missions including basics, realistic application programming, and many other. If you are able to figure out how to properly hack any of the most difficult mission on the site, then you will definitely earn the title of hacker. At number 1 comes Cybrary. Cybrary. If you are looking to kickstart a career in white hat cybersecurity, Cybrary is a great resource. Here you will find hundreds of free courses covering areas like Microsoft server security, doing security assessment, penetration testing, and a collection of CompTIA courses as well. The site includes forums, practice labs, education resources, and even a job board. Whether you are just starting to consider a cybersecurity career or you are already in the middle of one, this site is good one to bookmark. One more we have considered here is exploit database. Whether you are a white hacker or a black hacker, the exploit database is an important tool in any hacker's tool belt. It is frequently updated with the latest exploits affecting applications, web services, and more. If you are looking to learn more about how past hacks worked and were patched, the papers section of the site is for you. This area includes downloads of magazines that cover many of the biggest exploits to ever hit the world in the past decades. So, this was all about the hacking websites. I hope that you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one.